If you've not made any sales yet in your online business, then you need to look at the content that you're putting out onto social media. If you want to be making more sales, then you need to be connecting with your audience and getting them to know you, like you, trust you, and for them to believe that you can actually help them achieve what they are wanting to achieve. So how do you build connection with your audience? When you're new, you have to understand the importance and the power of what a community can do for you and your business. Because everyone starts from zero. It doesn't matter if you're launching a brand new business or if you're launching your 7th business in the last 13 years. Your business starts from zero every time. And when you're new, you can use the results of other people in your community to help you start getting results, create momentum, create content, and to attract customers to your business. So if you want to attract customers to your business, then make sure that you follow this 3-step framework. Following this 3-step framework is going to take work. So if you're looking for some push button system that's going to create content for you, then this is not for you. So what you'll have to do is to create one of these videos every day. And I'll call this the HOT framework. Hook, outcome, testimonies. So what does that mean? What is the ideal outcome of your ideal customer? Is it to have more time with the kids, pay off the bills, the rent, the mortgage, to quit their day job? Or is it to have more money and to travel overseas with the family? So if you can show your ideal customer how they can have more time to travel overseas with their family, or how they can pay off their bills without taking a 2nd or a 3rd job, or how they can have money to pay the rent or the mortgage without having to sell the 2nd car, then that is how you are going to get their attention. When it comes to growing a following on social media, it's not about sending cold DMs, adding random friends on Facebook, running a Facebook group, or posting content every day to build your brand. When you are creating content, you cannot make any financial claims in your content or say you can do this or you can have this type of result in your business because you don't know people's work ethics, their dedication and their commitment to follow the process of what you're wanting to show them. But what you can say in your content, this is what happened to John when he implemented our process, so he did not have to add friends every day on Facebook. You could share a result that someone else has had in their business from following your process. This is what happened to Ben when he followed our process and he grew his business in 90 days to over $25,000 a month, following our step-by-step process and being an involved member of our community. When you are creating your content, make sure that you're adding a visual hook to your videos. Make sure that you're using the outcome in your caption and make sure that you're using the outcome in your script, as this is going to help you stop the scroll. Once you stop the scroll, you want to share how they achieve their outcome by following the process, the blueprint and the community in your story. At the end of your story, you want to remind your viewer why they stopped to watch your video and get them to take action by commenting on your video. When you get your audience to comment, it's like they're raising their hands saying, I want to work with you. I want to find out more information. I am ready to learn more. When you're a member inside of our community, we'll actually even show you how you can actually drop the word win into our community so you can create a testimonial video. So you can connect with the folks who are serious about creating short form video content, building their brand and attracting more customers in their online business. And this is so easy to do inside of our community. All you need to do is find the outcome that you're wanting to talk about, take a screenshot and talk about the results that these people are getting inside of the community. A call to action to the end of that video for people to raise their hands by commenting ready or blueprint or me. So remember the HOT framework the next time that you're creating a video. Hook, outcome, testimony. When you're ready to become a part of our community of over 40,000 people who are using short form video to grow and scale their business online, then drop a hashtag ready in the comments, as I'd love to share with you how you can get started.